What is going on, guys? My name is Cesar. Welcome to this training, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make money with high ticket affiliate marketing. I'm here to help you guys, but first let me show you some of my results. As you can see, $903, $161, and I want to share with you the simple things I did to start making money online. So I just follow these simple 7 steps. So check this out: 7 steps to becoming a super affiliate. So this is amazing because with affiliate marketing, you don't need to create a product, a service, or software. You can use other people's products. You don't need a team or employees. You don't need to deal with client or customers. You don't need inventory, deal with customer support or refunds, and it's extremely low to zero startup cost to start. So this is amazing, guys, because the only thing I did was I choose my niche, which is make money online, right? The second step was picking a product. I'm promoting Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. Then I create my passive income system. I'm using 2 softwares, Clickfunnels and GetResponse for the autoresponders. Then I choose my traffic source, and I'm using TikTok and YouTube, right? The next step is to create consistent content, right? To start driving traffic to your funnel. And the 6th step is building your email list, because that is your number 1 priority when you start affiliate marketing business. So you can drive traffic to an affiliate offer, right? But the problem with that is you are not going to be able to scale, and you need to build a relationship with the person you are helping, right? So, and the 7th step is, let me show you, scaling and retargeting. So that's it, guys. If you want to get access to this ebook, I'm here to help you guys. Click the link in the description, and I'm going to send this ebook to your email. So if you like this information, give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed, and talk to you soon. Bye.